Hi there, students. To choke something back, to choke it back. Let's see. I think the most common collocation with this is to choke back tears. So this is when you want to cry, you need to cry, but you hold them back, and that's the idea of back. So he choked back his tears. Yeah, she said she didn't mind while she was choking back her tears. She said that her boyfriend had an accident, choking back the tears. So you choke back feelings, you choke back tears, you're forcing yourself not to show how angry or how upset you are about something. This is talking about controlling your emotions, yeah? Is fighting hard to stop something coming out of your mouth. So he choked back the sobs. He choked back the angry words. He choked back the vomit. Yeah, he's just holding it back. Let's see. To choke means to be unable to breathe, to prevent somebody from breathing properly by strangling or by filling the windpipe. To choke, to obstruct, to clog something. Yeah, to fill up, but particularly the breathing passages, and therefore to choke something back, it interferes with how you breathe. It's like an obstruction of the throat. Okay, so to choke something back, to have difficulty not expressing tears, anger, or what you actually feel. Okay, so he was choking back his anger as they criticized him unfairly. Yeah, you force yourself not to show your emotion. Yeah, you choke back your emotion. Yeah, you choke back your feelings, to hold them back. He choked back a scream. He choked back the rude comments that he was going to make, or he was just unable to choke back the angry words that came from his mouth. Yeah? Okay, he choked back his grief. He choked back his criticism. But particularly to choke back tears, to hold them back, to stop them flowing, to try to keep from expelling something. Yeah, but something emotional like words or tears, to hold back an emotion, to hold back the expression of an emotion. He had a very rude and cutting remark on the tip of his tongue, but he choked it back. Yeah, he didn't utter it, and this is the idea. It's like you're swallowing it, you're breathing it back in again so that it doesn't come out. Yeah, to keep from expelling something. I was going to ask her about her boyfriend, but I choked back the question when I remembered they'd just broken up. I thought I was going to be sick during the lesson, but I managed to choke it back. Yeah, to keep it in. Okay, so to choke something back, choke it back, but particularly choke back anger, choke back tears. I guess you choke back jealousy, you choke back criticism, something like that. Formality. That's an interesting one. To choke something back, he choked it back. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use it informally, definitely. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, yeah. A semi-formal writing, just about, but it's on the edge, and certainly not in something very formal. Yeah, and then as to the origin, well, it comes from this verb to choke. Okay, this is probably related to the word cheek. Let's see, there's an old English word, atherian, to choke itself. Theathe or theake, the cheek or the jaw. So, to choke back. Yeah, let's see. If you've got something to say, don't choke it back. Just let your emotions out. It's much better. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To choke back, to choke something back.